Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make some simple earring hoops using memory wire. What you're going to need for this project are your tools. I have round pliers, flat pliers, and these are memory wire cutters. Do not use your good cutters with this project. The memory wire is very, very hard. It's made of stainless steel wire, so it's okay to use in your ears unless you have super sensitive ears. This is the ring size memory wire. I have a file. I'm going to use head pins, and also I have a variety of beads. So this is the ring size memory wire, and we can work with it from the roll. And what we want to do to start is just separate the end. Take your round pliers and then just hold it carefully and then twist it with the flick of the wrist. Don't use your most delicate round pliers for this job. We're going to bring this one around to close it up, and then we're just going to give this a little push outwards. If you need to adjust it a little bit, you can. You can get your flat pliers to push it in a little bit. The memory wire is going to hold its shape, so just pull it out like this. So you just have one wire here. Hold it firmly with the flat pliers and then just bend it up. Little flick of the wrist here. Then we have to cut this to about 1/4 inch. We don't want it too long. We'll just put our memory wire cutters in place so it's about 1/4 inch, and then we're just going to clip it. What you might have to do then is just like straighten it out a little bit, and this is going to be a little bit rough, so you're going to want to file it. I usually just get a regular file and I place it firmly on the table. I hold the end and then I just manually like rotate it around like that. You can also get a reamer if you want. You can get an electric one as well. You just want that to be smooth. To dangle the beads, you're just going to take a head pin. This one's about 1 inch long. I'm going to put on a 6mm cat's eye bead, and then a 4mm miracle bead, and then a 6mm faceted bead. If this end was too long, we would clip it to 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. Otherwise, you can go ahead with your round pliers, hold it firmly, push it back and around. If you need to, get the flat pliers just to push that end in a little bit. And then you're going to take your loop, just put it on the end. This will go through the ear and you just close it up like that. And there you have your pair of little dangling hoop earrings. So if you want to make the earring with the bead on the hoop, just take the end again and your round pliers, just bend it around and back. Push the end in so there's no space in there. And then what you can do is, before you bend it, you can just hold this one out. Clip this at about the 1/4 inch from the end of the loop. So now you can take your end, put on your bead. You could put on multiple beads if you like. Hold the wire with the flat pliers just inside that edge, and then bend it up on an angle. If it's curved there, just go ahead and flatten it. Make any adjustments that you have to. Then you can go ahead and file the end in whatever way is easiest for you. And then to wear it, that'll go through your ear and you just flip that inside. If you find that's too long, just go ahead with your memory wire cutters, clip a little more off, file it again, and you're good to go. And there you have your very simple little earring hoops made out of memory wire. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.